Alright, so right here we do have the Pioneer inverter that works as a cooler option and also a heater option. You can see how it's set up onto the wall right here, and for the other side we do have the other part. So you basically want to drill a hole through the wall and then you guys put the cord on the other side. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have the cooling option and the heating option like I mentioned, and it has the awesome option for you guys to move up and down, which is pretty cool. So that way you can get a pretty good coverage on the product when you guys do use it. And also for the product, it does give you guys remote control obviously, because you guys won't be able to press the button on top if there is any. And if you guys are curious about what the remote looks like, here is basically what it actually looks like. So there's an on and off button, a shortcut option, mode option, fan option, timer on, timer off, different temperature setting, sleep option, swing option, direct option, turbo self clean, LED option, and follow me option. So let's increase the temperature. You guys can see how easy it is for you guys to use it. And currently we do have the swing option on, if you guys can see how it's moving up and down for the actual panel. And right now we do have it on the cooling option, but if you guys do turn on the heat option, let me show you guys how to do it. So right here you can see we do have the cool option on. If you guys press right here, now it's on dry, heat, fan, and auto. You control the fan speed level on here as well. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So basically low, medium, and max. And the highest temperature that's on here is 86, and the lowest is 62. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. You can definitely control everything on here, which is pretty cool. And for remote control, it does require battery. But here is basically what the product looks like in the front. Let me show you guys what the other side looks like as well.